Ever feel like you're only using YouTube in a basic way, while there are actually hidden features you've never tried? In this video, I'll show you some really useful YouTube features that can change the way you watch videos every day. Let's get started. First, make sure your YouTube app is updated, because some of these options only appear in newer versions. Open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and if you see an update button, tap it and let it finish. One of the most useful features is sharing a video starting from a specific moment. If you ever watch something and want to show a friend an exact part, you don't need to explain the timestamp anymore. Open the video, tap the share button under it, and enable the option that starts the video at a specific time. Adjust the time if needed, then copy the link or send it directly. When someone opens it, the video will begin exactly where you selected. Next, let's talk about shorts. If you don't like seeing shorts in your feed, you can reduce them. Go into your profile, open Settings, and find the section related to time management or Shorts preferences. From there, you can limit Shorts recommendations or disable them where available. This will make your feed more focused on regular videos. Another interesting feature is audio tracks. Some videos allow you to change the language of the audio. While watching a video, tap the settings icon and look for audio track. If available, you can switch to another language version of the same video. Keep in mind, this depends on the video and isn't available everywhere. Now, restricted mode. This setting controls what type of content YouTube shows you. Go to Settings, open General, and find restricted mode. If it's enabled, some videos may be hidden. If you turn it off, more content becomes available in your feed. Another very useful feature is sleep timer. If you watch YouTube before bed, you can set a timer so the video stops automatically. Open a video, tap Settings, and choose Sleep Timer. Set the time you want, like 30 or 45 minutes, and YouTube will stop playback when the time runs out. And finally, downloads. Some videos have a download option below them. Tap it, choose the quality, and the video will save to your device for offline watching. You can find it later in your download section inside your profile. And that's it. Some of the most useful YouTube features you probably weren't using. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tips and hidden tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.